Louise.
Hi there, Simon. Last week it was all about the cold and the bitterly cold feel generally across the country. This week it's about mild but wet. However, I found a little glimpse of sunshine, as you can see. Look at this stunning photograph from Causeway Head in Stirling. And there is some decent dry weather out there for some, not for all, unfortunately. A weak weather front across the south coast has produced some rain, and I can relate to this muddy walking path at the moment as well. Now, it's a cold front that's easing away. However, the tail end of it will actually return later on this afternoon. But here's our window of finer weather for many. Squally showers to the northwest of the Great Glen, accompanied by gusts of winds in excess of 60 miles an hour plus in places. But that fine weather across eastern Scotland, down into northern England, North Wales and the Midlands, accompanied by a milder feel out there, 11 or 12 degrees. So get out and enjoy it if you can, because the emphasis through the night tonight is more wet weather to push up from the south, gradually moving its way northwards. Some of it will be quite heavy across North Wales into Northern Ireland and southern Scotland as well. Perhaps a few scattered showers in the east, but here it stays largely dry, cloudy, but very mild through the night. Overnight lows of only 6 to 9 Celsius. So yes, that front has to sweep through. It will sweep through quite quickly because of all the isobars behind it. So blustery winds right across the country. That means we've got an hour or two of wet weather moving its way steadily west to east. But if you time your outdoor fresh air, you might just be lucky and again see a window of fine sunny weather before plenty of squally showers drive in along west facing close, particularly closer to the far northwest near that low pressure. Not quite as warm tomorrow, 6 to 9 degrees. That weather front is a cold front, introducing something a little less mild. But as we move into Friday, it's all changed yet again. Another low moves in, again bringing southwesterly winds, again bringing mild weather. But it's going to be very windy with gale force gusts on exposed coast, and for some it will be very wet as well. Rainfall totals are going to start to top up in a few places, 2 to 4 inches of rain at least. So we'll need to keep a close eye on that. That could bring some localised flooding. It never really gets to the east. Here it stays mild and largely dry, but it's just the beginning of this conveyor belt of moisture that's going to run up from the southwest as we move into the weekend. That is going to bring yet more wet weather with it. It will continue to bring that milder theme, but it does mean that Saturday stays unsettled. However, we could see warm and spring-like weather into the southeast by Sunday afternoon. Simon.